Things to remember before you jump into trading. The first point is do not chase the market. There is a common phenomenon in market which is called FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. If we see that market is going up or shooting upward, then many traders they beat their head and oh, I have missed the chance. I could have made so much profit. But you should know that market will give you opportunity again. If you have the FOMO or if you start suffering from FOMO, then you will end up losing money because you will be entering at wrong points. Suppose market has started going up from here and you saw that okay market is going up and with the due to the fear of missing the opportunity you'll be entering somewhere around here or here, and as the market will come down for taking risk you'll start panicking again, and due to panic you will see that oh my account is going negative and you will exit from the trade and you will end up losing money. So what you should do, you should not chase the market. If you observe that okay market is going up, then what you should do, you should wait for the opportunity or wait for the market to come down to your price. Remember, I told you market, if market is going up then it doesn't go up like this, it goes up in swings like this. So where you should enter, support markets are going up, then you should wait for this particular point. You should wait for this particular points to enter. If it is going down also, if you want to short the market, instead of shorting the market somewhere around here, you should wait for the right price. Okay. The second thing is you should start small. You should have experience first. See, theoretical knowledge is something else and practical knowledge is something else. The main things that determines the success and failure of a trader is greed and fear factor. After completing this program or course, you should open a virtual account. That's a request from me. These are free accounts, easily available online. Just go ahead and open a virtual account and start trading, because you should know the fear and greed factor of yourself. The fear and greed factor of every trader depends. It varies from trader to trader. So you should know yourself. A trader may panic after seeing minus $10 also. A trader may panic after seeing minus $100 also. A trader may not panic after seeing minus $1,000 also. It totally depends on the greed and fear level of the trader, and so it is important to know yourself. And at first you should open a virtual account. It would be very wise of you after completing this program or course, and then you should start small, because in virtual account you'll be getting a fake currency or virtual currency. So that experience is something else. That will just teach you how to execute the orders, how to find trades and all. But seeing your real hard-earned money going in red is a different feeling. So you should start small. Okay, you should start small just by investing. Let's say it depends. $200 also, $1,000, $2,000 also. Not more than that. You should start small. Start making profit from that small account and then uh, try to grow the account. Because if you jump into your trading account with a good amount of money, say $10,000, $20,000, and after that, as you're new, your trading account will start shrinking, because you're new. You do not have much control over your fear and greed factor. You do not have much control over your emotions. So in that case, At first you need to learn, you need to have control over emotions. So start small and then start growing. Next point that is very important is risk management. Risk management is probably one of the key factors that determines the success of the trader. We all know that every trader needs a strategy to make money from the market. Whether you're trading in forex market, stock market, cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter. Every trader needs a strategy, is not it? And it is also a bitter fact that no strategy is 100% accurate. A strategy with 70 to 80% accuracy is good enough to make a trader profitable. But if your risk management is not good enough, then a strategy with 80% accuracy may also give you or land up you in trouble. Risk management is very important. It is so important that I'll be teaching about risk management after one or two classes in a separate class, because that's very important and one of the key factors that determines the success of the trader. Okay. So hopefully you all have understood the 3 points. You do not need to chase the market. You should wait for the better price to come. You should always start small. Risk management is very important, and keep in touch with the news. You should not follow the news blindly, because if you follow the news blindly, you'll end up losing all your money. Honest, it's my personal experience also. Do not follow the news blindly, but you should stay in touch with the news. You should know what is going on in the market, what is going on in and around the world. Is what is going on in forex market, what is up, whether dollar is going weak or dollar is going strong. You should have the basic knowledge. You should not blindly follow the news. You should mainly follow your own analysis, but you should stay in touch with the news also. So these are the 4 points that you must consider before jumping into trading. So thank you so much. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you.